We ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, girls, to make the pyramids, what you're going to do is you're going to take this regular size envelope and you're going to carefully draw the two diagonals. And make sure that you're going right to the corners when you do that. And I also like to press hard on it because we're going to be folding on these lines as well. Okay? And I had to do it a couple times to get that in the right place. All right, so everybody see what I did there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next step that we're going to do is make sure that you're looking at which side of the envelope the flap is on, because what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this top triangle including the flap. Okay? So very carefully, we're going to take our scissors and I'm cutting along my fold line just to the intersection, so that I've cut out the top flap and all I have is the bottom part of the envelope left on here with that triangle shape on it. Okay, everybody good?
Yeah.
Okay, this next part is really important, but it's kind of a hard part because I need to fold along these two lines, and it just happens to be where the back part of the envelope is glued, so it has several layers on it. But you need to do this very sharp fold and very neat fold, okay? And I just use my ruler sometimes to do that. So I'm going to fold along those lines. And I want to make sure that it's going right to the corners, which is, again, kind of the difficult part to get in here. And I want to make sure that it's a really nice sharp fold. So I even take my ruler after I folded it and I crease that fold. Okay? And I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. So folding right up to the corner, and then I'm going to crease that fold. Okay, so I've just folded those two pieces down. The last fold is that I'm going to fold this exactly in half. Okay, and once again, I'm going to crease that fold in there. Okay, so what I've done is I folded along my two lines that I've drawn, and I've folded this in half, and I've creased it. Those fold lines, when you open this envelope up, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to take one half of this, and you're going to tuck it into the other half, like that. And if you have some really nice sharp folds, you're going to get the pyramid.
Yeah!
Okay?
Yeah!
All right.
Anna, give me the camera.
What I would suggest after you get that piece done is that you just take a couple little pieces of tape and then tape these two flaps, okay? So how many of these are you going to make?
6.
Well, you're going to start out with 4 of them, okay? You're going to start out with 4, and then you're going to tape your 4 together to make this size that you have 3 on each side. And to tape it, you're just going to take a piece of tape and try to not overlap these corners. Try to get the corners just right next to each other, okay? So you're going to put a piece of tape 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6 pieces of tape to hold these together.
Wow.
Okay? Thank you.
Woo!